All right, guys, this is an absolutely essential tool for self-defense. We're going to unpackage it, show you what we're working with today. This is the Umogi folding pocket knife. It's great for self-defense protection as well as survival. It's got a sharp blade. And this sheath even has a belt loop on the back, so you could loop this through your belt and store the sheath there where you could just rip that zip open, pull it out. Now, man, I absolutely love this color. It's the carbon fiber vibe. You can see this thing is sturdy. It's even got a clip here. You could clip this onto your jeans or belt if you wanted to. But you can see you've got the opener right there. So we can just open that right up. It's got a very nice solid feel to it. Very nice solid blade. Could be great for shredding some wood, cutting some things, just using it for self-defense. And then right here, we just click that, and then we're right back in here, and then right back in your belt. Now, there's another thing that it comes with separately. It comes with a little screwdriver thing if you need it to tighten any of the units here. So it's all in one, a great tool. I think it's very important to have these for the apocalypse that's coming, because let's face it, when the human animals start to get desperate, things get crazy, you and your family need to be prepared.